Hi, it's so exciting at Little Rose Garden Book Studio this week. We're going upstairs and we're going to be making this chandelier. Now, what can it be made of, you may ask? It's ever so pretty. And as well as its lovely normal light bulb with the gold, there's also inside this lovely fairy light option, which we weave into the middle, which you can just have on. There it is in its layer. So you can just have that on as well as another option, which is gorgeous. But look, toilet rolls, would you believe it? 25. Cut them into 4 pieces and do punch holes into all of them. And then you want to paint them in some lovely gold paint and do some 4 wires about that kind of length. And then make lots of curtain hooks. One for each toilet roll section, about 2-3 centimetres long, as you can see. And get them all hooked up ready. And then the wire, just twist it simply into a lovely sized circle. And then what you want to do is make one slightly smaller. And quite simply, just a third one that fits nicely inside the other 2. And they're just twisted. Now the middle section of the first big one, you want to go round the side and twist it into this kind of shape. It doesn't need to be exact. And I'll tell you why. That middle section, you want to untwist. You see that bottom bit? Untwist the bottom there where the light bulb goes in. And you can adjust the wire so it's very, very secure. And then the wire in the middle, so you've got the little one, middle one, and the top one. That's the pattern I've done for each middle. So you've got your 4 hooks, remember, that you made. We're going to hang them all together and position all our fairy lights in like this. And you'll see the batteries just resting on the top there, hiding behind the beams. And if you're wondering why and how that's worked, you can see those 4 long hooks. You've got 2 on the second layer. Say they're, east and west. And then the top layer, you've got the 2 on the north and south side, so it's all balanced coming down. And then all you've got to do is have fun hooking round your lovely golden pieces of, now we don't know they're toilet roll. We'll stop calling them toilet roll. Your lovely golden shards of metal until you've got your 3 layers. And as I said before, you've got the option of having the fairy lights on or the main light on. And it's just so pretty. It looks lovely when you're lying underneath on a sofa or a bed or something, or you just walk underneath. Really pretty. And it's so much fun to make. So much fun. So whichever lighting you've got on come the evening time, it really does look spectacular from outside as well as in. And then time for bed or, lovely drink in the evening, we've got the fairy lights. Just fairy lights.